Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Please watch this full unboxing and assembly video, and I will show you how to assemble this chair and show you all the cool features that this beautiful IKEA chair has. And now let's open this Alefjäll chair from IKEA. Okay, let's see what we have inside. Here is instruction manual. Here is seat. Here is backrest. And here are some other parts. Here is everything that we need, and let's first assemble this chair stand. First we need to open this box here. Okay, let's now put one leg first. First you need assemble these two parts, and you need smaller bolt. Now just screw it in. Add one leg at a time and screw it tight. Now just add these bolts to other 5 holes. Make sure that you tight all 10 screws. Next step is adding these wheels. Add all 5 wheels. Now rotate it to the other side and put this plastic cap on. Next step is adding this spring bar. First remove this plastic cap, and then you are ready to insert this spring bar. Just put it inside, and this stand is assembled. Now it's time to put this seating mechanism on this seat. Here it is inside. Just we need to take it out. This is so heavy and robust. You can't see that in the video, but this piece has more than 6-7 kilos approximately. So heavy and robust. That means that this chair will last long time. Now let's put this seat out. Move this back. Here is some informations that you can remove after you read them. The next step is very important. You see this zipper and this part of mechanism. This zipper and this part of mechanism must be on the same side. Don't swap it, because that would be a problem. You will need to disassemble it then and make it all over again. So be sure to put your zipper and this mechanism part on the same side. Now let's join this mechanism with this seat. You will need the 4 of these big bolts. Now let's put bolts where it belongs, in this hole. Make sure that you put all 4 bolts in this hole and screw them very well and tight. After you tighten up those bolts with some power, you can go to the next step. The next step is to put this arm rests on this construction. Let's first take this out of this nylon. Make sure that you left nylon under this construction because it may damage this hardwood floor. Next step is to take this armrest and assemble it, this on one side and the other on the other side. Okay, let's assemble it. Here is important step. Look at this part which is little curved. It must be on the other side and this part must be on that side, like in here. So this is the position where you want to put it. Now let's screw it to this. You will need 4 of this screw. This is the flat head screw, not this with curved head. Okay, now let's put it together. You need this smaller piece, not a bigger one, to screw this part together. Make sure that you screw it well, like any other part of this chair. After you tighten up both sides of these bolts and armrests, it is time to go to the next step. Now the next step is to join this rest with this construction. So please make sure that you align this part to this groove so you can join them together. The next thing that you must to put in is this bolt with this plastic head, and you screw it to the back side of this chair. This part is adjustable, so you can move this backrest up and down, like this. Now for the next step, you will need a table. You must join together this seating part and this backrest together. Now put this on the edge of the table and join them together. Now use these remaining 4 bolts to tighten it up. Just tighten these bolts first with the hand and then finish with Ikea tool. Make sure that you tighten up these bolts like everything before. When the car factories assemble together body and engine of the car, they call it marriage. So let's call this marriage and put together this chair and this stand. And voila, it is now together. Now let's just take a look of this chair. This chair is so plushy. This is so thick. This is a real leather. This beautiful brown leather. With time, this leather will get patina. It will be a little darker, shinier, and much more nicer than today. But today it's also beautiful. I'm very pleased with this chair. I can show you some features. Here, this lever is for moving chair in front and back. I already show you this part for taking this backrest up and down. And this lever here is to take chair down and up. So it's a great chair. Guys, I hope that you enjoy this review. Please like my video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.